Hello everyone, I am Varsha studying Computer Science and Engineering in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. In this video, I will discuss some objective questions related to the topics Introduction to Indian Constitution, Preamble of Indian Constitution and key points of the Preamble, Fundamental duties and its scope and significance in the nation, important parliamentary terminologies, Legislature, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, Election Commission, current affairs. Topic 1, Introduction to the Indian Constitution. First question, what is the main purpose of a constitution? Option A, to establish a monarchy. Option B, to protect individual rights and freedom. Option C, to enforce a specific religion. Option D, to impose state governmental control. And the correct option is option B, to protect individual rights and freedom. Second question, total number of articles in Indian Constitution are option A 345, option B 395, option C 456, option D 545. And the correct option is option B 395. Third question, when was the Indian Constitution adopted? Option A 1945, option B 1947, option C 1949, option D 1950. And the correct option is option D 1950. Fourth question, the Constitution is necessary to option A to preserve and promote democratic principles, option B to suppress individual liberties, option C enable the government to act arbitrarily, option D to weaken the power of judiciary. And the correct option is preserve and promote democratic principles. Fifth question, how many schedules the Constitution of India contains? Option A 1, option B 11, option C 21, option D 12. And the correct option is option D 12. Second topic, Preamble of Indian Constitution and key points of the Preamble. First question in topic 2, India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. The expression occurs in option A fundamental right, option B citizenship, option C preamble, option D directive principles. And correct option is option C preamble. Second question, the preamble of the Constitution of India has been amended for option A 4 times, option B thrice, option C twice, option D once. And the correct option is option D once. Third question, the preamble of Indian Constitution begin with the words option A, we the people of India, option B, in the name of God, option C, justice, liberty, equality, option D, India, my country. And the correct option is we the people of India. Fourth question, preamble resolves to secure the citizens of India. Option A, economic opportunities. Option B, cultural rights. Option C, political rights. Option D, social welfare benefits. And the correct option is option C, political rights. Fifth question, the preamble of Indian Constitution reflects the ideals of option A, Mahatma Gandhi, option B, Jawaharlal Nehru, option C, B.R. Ambedkar, option D, all of the above. And the correct option is all of the above. Third topic, fundamental duties and its scope and its significance in nation. First question, the fundamental duties in Indian Constitution were added by which amendment? Option A 42nd Amendment, option B 44th Amendment, option C 76th Amendment, option D 86th Amendment. And the correct option is 42nd Amendment. Second question, fundamental duties are mentioned in which of the part of Indian Constitution? Option A part 1, option B part 2, option C part 3, option D part 4. And the correct option is part 4. Third question, the concepts of fundamental duties are borrowed from the Constitution of which country? Option A United States, option B United Kingdom, option C Australia, option D Canada. And the correct option is option C Australia. Fourth question, fundamental duties were added to Indian Constitution. Option A, to promote social harmony. Option B, strengthen democracy. Option C, ensure national integrity and sovereignty. Option D, all of the above. And the correct option is option D, all of the above. Fifth question, how many fundamental duties are mentioned in Indian Constitution? Option A 6, option B 7, option C 8, option D 9 and the correct option is option B 7. Fourth topic, important parliamentary terminologies. First question, what is the term used to refer to a formal discussion and debate on a proposed law or matter in? Option A, legislation. Option D, deliberation. Option C, inquiry. Option D, adjournment. And the correct option is option B, deliberation. Second question, what is the term used to refer to a period during parliamentary sessions when members engage in debate and discussion? Option A, session. Option B, quorum. Option C, recess. Option D, sitting. And the correct option is quorum. Third question, what is the term used to refer to a formal proposal made by members of parliament for the consideration and discussion? Option A, resolution. Option B, amendment. Option C, motion. Option D, petition. And the correct option is option C, motion. Fourth question, what is the term used to refer to a process by which members of parliament request information from the government? Option A, interpellation. Option B, veto. Option C, point of order. Option D, whip. And the correct option is option A, interpellation. Fifth question, what is the term used to refer to a formal vote on proposed law or matter in parliament? Option A, division. Option B, debate. Option C, quorum. Option D, point of order. And the correct option is option A, division. Fifth topic, legislature, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad Election Commission. First question, Vidhan Parishad represents which type of legislative body? Option A, unicameral. Option B, bicameral. Option C, tricameral. Option D, multicameral. And the correct option is option B, bicameral. Second question, preceding officers of Vidhan Sabha are called option A, Speaker, option B, President, option C, Chairman, option D, Chief Minister. And the correct option is option A, Speaker. Third question, Election Commission of India is a option A, constitutional body, option B, statutory body, option C, executive body, option D, judicial body. And the correct option is option A, constitutional body. Fourth question, which article of Indian Constitution deals with the Election Commission? Option A, Article 356, option B, Article 352, option C, Article 324, option D, Article 368. And the correct option is option C, Article 324. Fifth question, Election Commission is responsible for conducting option A, only parliamentary elections, option B, only state legislative elections, option C, both parliamentary and state legislative elections, option D, only local body election, and the correct option is option C, both parliamentary and state legislative elections. Current affairs. New Parliament Building of India. The new Parliament building is triangular in shape mostly because the plot of the land that it is built on is the triangle and its design is influenced by sacred geometry found in various religions. New building was inaugurated on 28 May 2023 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The new Lok Sabha chamber has peacock theme with the designs drawn from the national bird's feather carved on the walls and ceiling. Rajya Sabha chamber has been decorated with the lotus as its theme with the red carpets. Thanks for watching the video.